Today, I am reviewing the Hyperice Hypervolt 2. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent years testing recovery tools for various athletic and wellness applications, and the Hyperice Hypervolt 2 stands out as a significant evolution in the world of percussion massage therapy. When the original Hypervolt hit the market, it set a high bar, but it often felt a bit heavy and industrial for the average user. With the Hypervolt 2, it is clear that the design team focused heavily on the user experience, resulting in a device that is lighter, more powerful, and much more ergonomic, without losing that professional-grade punch that made the brand famous. The first thing you notice when you pick up the Hypervolt 2 in its signature gray finish is the weight reduction. It feels substantially more balanced in the hand compared to its predecessor. This is critical because when you're trying to reach those difficult spots on your lower back or traps, a heavy device can actually lead to wrist fatigue. The newly designed ergonomic handle is slimmer and easier to grip, which allows for better leverage and more precise pressure application. The power button is conveniently located at the base of the handle, and once the LED lights illuminate, you know you're ready to go. In terms of performance, the 3 speed settings provide a perfect spectrum of intensity. The lowest speed is excellent for sensitive areas or just a light warm-up to get the blood flowing, while the highest speed delivers a deep, percussive force that can penetrate even the densest muscle tissue. I have used this to combat the stiffness that comes from sitting at a desk all day, as well as the soreness following a heavy leg session, and the results are consistently impressive. It doesn't just vibrate on the surface. It actually provides that rhythmic percussion necessary to release deep knots and improve range of motion. One of the standout features remains the patented QuietGlide technology. There is a common misconception that a powerful massage gun has to sound like a power tool, but the Hypervolt 2 is remarkably quiet. You can easily use this while sitting on the couch watching a movie or listening to a podcast without having to crank up the volume. It is this level of refinement that makes it a recovery tool you will actually want to use every day rather than something that sits in a drawer because it is too loud or annoying to operate. The versatility of this unit is further enhanced by the 5 interchangeable head attachments. You get the fork, the ball, the cushion, the flat, and the bullet heads. Each serves a distinct purpose. The cushion head is my personal favorite for general use and around bony areas, while the bullet head is a surgical tool for pinpointing specific trigger points in the glutes or feet. Switching them out is a simple pull and push process that feels secure and durable. Beyond the hardware, the integration with the HyperSmart technology and the Bluetooth-connected Hyperice App is where this device truly outpaces the competition. For many people, the biggest hurdle with a massage gun is not knowing exactly how to use it for specific issues. The app provides step-by-step expert guidance and recovery plans that essentially act as a digital physical therapist. You can follow along with videos that show you exactly where to place the device and for how long, which takes all the guesswork out of your recovery routine. The Hypervolt 2 is a testament to the Hyperice mission of helping everyone move better. Whether you are an elite athlete or someone just looking to combat the impact of daily life and physical stress, this device offers a premium, reliable solution. It is built with a level of quality that suggests it will last for years, and the combination of the improved ergonomics, the quiet operation, and the smart app integration makes it, in my opinion, the most well-rounded percussion massager on the market today. It provides that essential relief your muscles are asking for, helping you stay loose and ready for whatever your next challenge might be.